next thing we're gonna do is make a gator fritter.
Yummy.
And if you don't like gator, you can use a firm-fleshed fish in this. You could use a bass, you could use bluegill.
But gator's fun.
But gator's fun, and it's delicious. Yes. Gator is healthy. No carbs, no cholesterol, and it has omega-3s. Vitamins and minerals, it's just all around.
So you need to get a gator every year, you're saying?
Every year, probably every other week.
You're gonna need to get a gator, okay.
We're gonna put, I don't know, 1/4 inch of oil in there. For our fritters, we're gonna take 2 cups of flour. On this show, unless we say different, it's always all-purpose. And any kind of seasoned salt that you like. I'm just gonna put my dry rub mix in there because it has a little bit of cayenne, has a little bit of sugar, and it has some salt in it. We're gonna take 1/2 cup of cornmeal and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix that up real good. And we're gonna put about 1 cup of beer, or you can put clam juice if you have some of that. You're gonna mix this up till it gets right. Then we're gonna cut up 1/2 cup of red pepper, 1/2 cup of green pepper, about 3/4 cup of onion. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of garlic and we're gonna press that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our onions and garlic and peppers and put those all in the batter.
Everything?
Yes, and we're gonna put our jalapeno peppers in there. 2 tablespoons of jalapeno. I'm gonna use pickled jalapeno on that. We're gonna put in 1 egg, then 1/4 cup of our corn relish. That gives it a nice little zing. You can use regular corn if you want to put in there. And then we're gonna have about 1.5 cups to 2 cups of alligator. Again, you could do this with fish or anything you wanted to put in there. So now this gator meat, what you're seeing right here, this is the tail. It's the whitest, firmest part. The leg meat is darker. I like it just as much, but it's more of a darker meat. There's also jowl meat, there's back meat. So now we're gonna add our gator to our fritter mix. And if you've watched our show for a while over the years, you've seen us make fritters. And it's probably gonna be very similar to some bluegill fritters we made a while back. But if you wanna make a meal, you think if you made fish, you'd make hush puppies to go along with it. What happens when you take your hush puppies and turn them into fritters with the meat already there?
Yum.
All right, so I'm gonna take my little ice cream dipper and I'm gonna get some oil in it. And we're gonna take a scoop of all our wonderful flavors here. And we're gonna take this, pop it out. The smell of these fritters when they cook, it is just so appealing and appetizing. I can't even explain to you how good they are. Now you notice I don't have my oil going crazy here. I'm gonna slowly turn it up, get it up to speed. Gator fritter, are you kidding me? All right, one more sauce we need to make, Nikki, when I think about it. What do you need with your gator bits? Remoulade. Remoulade. And we're gonna do that. We're gonna make a simple one here. All we're gonna do is take about 1 cup of mayonnaise, a couple tablespoons of mustard. We're gonna put some horseradish, about 1 teaspoon of that, and a little bit of hot sauce, some sweet pickle juice. We got some of those. I'm gonna put some dry rub in there. It's got paprika and wonderful things like that. And we're good to go. Go ahead and try your gator fritter. That's a meal in itself, and I'm not kidding you. That's just beautiful.
That is delicious.
Oh, wow.
We need some more gator. We're gonna have to get more gator.
That is absolutely delicious.
It is really good.
Gator fritter.
And I like the peppers, and the peppers are sweet in it. That is so good.